Guys, alam niyo yung Killbot, yung paraphrasing tool na nag-charge ng $995 per month? What if I told you gumawa ako ng free version nito? Walang bayad, walang sign up, walang credit card. Meet Kuya Bot, your AI writing kuya. Okay, so umpisahan na natin. Napakadali lang nito. So let's test agad, i-paste natin tong text na to. Copy lang natin. And then, etong burger na to, makikita nyo dyan yung mga tool na pwede nyo gamitin. Paraphraser, grammar checker, AI detector, AI humanizer, summarizer, at translate. So, gamitin muna natin itong una, paraphrase. Paste natin dito. And then, try natin. Probably, let's try fluency. Ayan. Formal. Marami yan. Expand natin. Try natin yung creative. Sige, creative muna tayo. So, pinaganda niya yung, pinaka-creative niya yung mga sentences o yung mga words na ginamit natin dito. Try natin i-expand. So, gagawin nyo lang, copy nyo lang. Kung okay na kayo dyan, copy nyo lang, then that's it. Tapos na. So, isa pa, pwede dito is yung grammar checker. So, gamitin natin itong grammar checker. So, delete lang natin to. Paste. Okay, sabi niya, they're going to the meeting tomorrow and their manager don't know about it. Me and him was supposed to go. So, correct natin yan. Alam natin mali ang grammar. At dito, makikita mo talaga kung ano yung mga corrections na ginawa niya. So, their, contraction of they are instead of their, possessive adjective. So, ito yung tama. Gawin nyo lang, copy nyo lang. If okay na kayo dyan, if satisfied na kayo sa result, that's it. Copy and then use it. Okay? So now, let's move naman natin tong ito. Sample na to. Itong sample na to, ang gagawin natin dito is AI humanizer. So meaning, if masyadong AI na tunog yung ginawa yung sentence, try natin gawin maging less than AI yung style niya. Simple lang. Paste natin ulit. Sorry di ako sanay dito sa iPad Paste. And then, humanize. Yeah, that's it. May pinagkaiba ba? Yes. Malayo. Tama. So, simple as that. Straightforward lang to tulad ng Killbot. So, may choice kayo how to use this one. Guys, remember, this is free. So, I really look forward to have at least 3 APIs na gamitin dito dahil alam ko marami ang gumagamit na teachers dito, students. So, para sa inyo talaga ito. Okay? So, lastly, try natin itong translate. Delete. Tingnan natin kung tama ba. If meron mga kayong makitang inconsistencies, so it's up to you kung anong gagawin nyo. So, don't really rely on this. This is only your assistant bot. Okay? So, at the end of the day, kayo pa rin ang magko-correct ng mga words at mga sentences nyo. Okay? So, yan. Magandang umaga. Kamusta kayo ngayon? Spanish. Translate. Buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás hoy? Japanese. Di ko mababasa to. Sorry. Arabic. Ayan. So, guys, kung umabot kayo dito sa video na to, ito yung Kuya Bot, 6 na AI tools, completely free, walang sign up, walang data stored. So, link is in the description. Tap lang and gamitin nyo na. Okay? If nakatulong to, like and share and comment kung anong free tool ang gusto nyong gawin ko next. Okay? Bye-bye.